Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever wished for a delicious steak dinner without the usual long cooking time? Thin-cut steaks, like skirt or flank, are absolutely perfect for those busy evenings. They cook up in a flash, absorbing marinades and seasonings so wonderfully. This means you can enjoy a tender, flavorful meal in mere minutes. It's truly a game changer for quick, satisfying home cooking. First, let's talk about choosing the right cut. Look for skirt steak, flank steak, or even minute steak. They're naturally very thin. Once you have your steak, it's super important to pat it completely dry with paper towels. Any moisture on the surface will steam the meat instead of searing it, preventing that beautiful, flavorful crust from forming. A dry surface truly makes all the difference for a perfect cook. Now for the cooking itself. Heat is your best friend. Get a heavy-bottomed pan. Cast iron works wonderfully, screaming hot over medium-high heat. Add just a thin layer of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, right before you put the steak in. That intense heat is absolutely vital for developing that gorgeous, deeply browned crust on your thin steak, sealing in all the juices. Place your thin steak carefully into the hot pan. For really thin cuts, you'll only need to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Since they cook so incredibly fast, keeping a close eye on them is key to preventing them from becoming tough. Once cooked, immediately transfer your steak to a cutting board and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. This resting period lets the juices redistribute evenly. The final crucial step for tender thin steak is how you slice it. Always identify the grain of the meat and slice directly across it, not with it. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite wonderfully tender. Use a sharp knife and slice thinly, perhaps on a slight bias. Serve your beautiful, juicy steak simply with some fresh herbs, a quick pan sauce, or even just a sprinkle of flaky sea salt. It's truly delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.